Wilson's bird of paradise is small, exotic birds that can be found only on Wagio and Butanta islands in Indonesia. This beautiful bird lives in lowland rainforests, but it also can survive in the mountain forests on the higher altitudes. Major factor which decreases number of Wilson's bird of paradise in the wild is habitat destruction as a result of logging and forest fires. Luckily, wild population of these birds is still not seriously affected by habitat loss. Wilson's bird of paradise is elusive animal and scientists lack lot of information about life cycle and habits of this bird. Interesting Wilson's bird of paradise facts. Wilson's bird of paradise is small bird. Males and females are the same size. They can reach 6.3 inches in length and 1.8 to 2.2 ounces of weight. Even though males and females are same sized, their bodies are differently colored. This phenomenon is known as sexual dimorphism. Males are more brightly colored compared to females. They have black heads with turquoise crowns ornamented with double black crosses. Upper part of the mantle is covered with yellow feathers. Back side of the body is covered with red feathers. Breasts are covered with green feathers. Feet are blue. Tail is violet and divided into spirally curved parts. Turquoise crown does not have feathers. It is just bare skin. Females and young males also have blue crowns, but the rest of the body is covered with brownish feathers. Name Wilson's bird of paradise is coined by Napoleon's nephew who described unknown bird that was purchased by British naturalist Edward Wilson. Wilson's bird of paradise is an omnivore, animal which eats other animals and plants. Its diet consists mainly of fruit and small insects. Mating season of Wilson's bird of paradise takes place 2 times per year, from May to June and in October. Male performs unusual dancing ritual to attract female's attention. Before the dance, male clears the ground from the leaves and other obstacles that may disrupt his performance. David Attenborough, famous British naturalist, managed to film this unusual behavior in 1996. He placed leaves in front of the male bird and waited for the reaction. Male was provoked and immediately started to clean the leaves from his dance floor. Male starts mating ritual in a frozen posture. He will then try to catch the attention of a female and impress her by exposing his beautiful breasts, colorful head, tail feathers and inner part of the mouth, which is light green in color. Male performs dancing rituals in the well-lit area, where sun additionally emphasizes beautiful colors of his feathers. Male produces specific calls and sings songs during the courtship. Female builds nest and takes care of the eggs. Lifespan of Wilson's birds of paradise is unknown.